Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to see one more problem on the integral of the form 1 upon quadratic. Let us start with problem number 11. Integral sec square x upon 3 tan square x minus 2 tan x minus 5 dx. Let us consider this as I. Here you can see our given integral is not in the form of 1 upon quadratic, as in the numerator we have sec square x. In order to make 1 there, I need to substitute some part as t. As you can see in the denominator we have a quadratic equation in terms of tan x. Therefore we can substitute tan x as t, and further on differentiating we will get sec square x dx as dt. Substituting, tan x is equal to t, and differentiating with respect to t. Derivative of tan x will be sec square x dx, and derivative of t will be dt. I will be sec square x dx as dt upon, we have 3t square minus 2t minus 5. The next step is to make the coefficient of t square 1, which is here 3. This can be done by taking 3 common from the denominator. That will give you 3 into t square minus 2t by 3 minus 5 by 3. Let us take this 3 outside the integral. Therefore, I is equal to 1 by 3 integral dt upon t square minus 2t by 3 minus 5 by 3. Now we are ready to find the third term. Term is given by half into coefficient of t the whole square. Here we have half into coefficient of t is minus 2 upon 3 the whole square. 2 will be cancelled and we have minus 1 upon 3 left, whose square is 1 upon 9. Now let us add and subtract this third term in the denominator. This will give you 1 by 3 integral dt upon t square minus 2t by 3 plus 1 by 9 followed by minus 1 by 9, and we have further minus 5 by 3. Now we will solve these two fractions and simultaneously we can reduce these three terms. Here you can see we can take the LCM as 9. Therefore to make this 9 we need to multiply it by 3 and also numerator by 3. This will give you minus 1 minus 15 upon 9. Therefore I is equal to 1 by 3 integral dt upon t square minus 2t by 3 plus 1 by 9 minus 1 minus 15 upon 9. Therefore I is equal to 1 by 3 integral dt upon square root of first term is t, sine of second term is minus, and square root of 1 by 9 is 1 by 3 the whole square. Minus 1 minus 15 is minus 16 by 9. Now this 16 by 9 can be written as 4 by 3 the whole square. 1 by 3 integral dt upon t minus 1 by 3 the whole square minus 4 by 3 square. We can compare this given integral with the standard formula 1 upon x square minus a square dx, which is given as 1 upon 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a plus c. Here the value of x will be t minus 1 upon 3 and the value of a will be 4 upon 3. That will give you 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 2a. Value of a is 4 upon 3. Log, we have x minus a, that is t minus 1 upon 3 minus 4 upon 3 divided by t minus 1 upon 3 plus 4 upon 3 plus c. Here 3 will be cancelled and here 2 into 4 will be 8. I is equal to 1 upon 8 log, we have t minus 1 by 3 minus 4 by 3 upon t minus 1 by 3 plus 4 by 3 plus c. Here in the numerator we have 3 fractions and the denominator also we have 3 fractions. We can take 3 as a LCM in the numerator as well as in the denominator. This will give you 1 upon 8 log of 3t minus 1 minus 4 upon 3 divided by 3t minus 1 plus 4 upon 3 plus c. 3 will be cancelled and I is equal to 1 upon 8 log of 3t minus 4 minus 1 upon, we have 3t minus 1 plus 4 plus c. Therefore the final answer will be 1 upon 8 log 3t minus 4 minus 1 will give you minus 5 upon minus 1 plus 4 will give you plus 3. Now in the last step we need to resubstitute the value of t as tan x. Resubstituting t is equal to tan x. Therefore I is equal to 1 upon 8 log 3 tan x minus 5 upon 3 tan x plus 3 plus c. This is our final answer. I hope friends you have understood this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe Ekeeda.